Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset OPPO Reno 15c 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password, please try again. As you can see, incorrect password, please try again. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power button together. Now slide downward to power off your smartphone. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power button together. And when the OPPO logo appears after few seconds, 3 to 4 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, release both keys. And you can see select language, volume keys to move up and down, and power button to confirm, or you can also use the touch feature. So here select language, so you can see it will send you in recovery format data, reboot device, and power off is available. So simply select format data. So here you can see please enter verification code 0002. So enter it 000 and 2. So here you can see on bottom format data, all user data will be reset. Now simply tap on format. Wiping, please wait, do not perform any other operations, and you can see data is successfully formatted. Now simply tap on OK. And guys, after hard set might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard set when again ask for password, pin or pattern, use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset OPPO Reno 15c 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates.